Recently, varieties like tenderstem and sprouting broccolis have become increasingly popular. People are accepting of the idea that you can use the whole piece. Now actually, you can do exactly the same thing with the standard head of broccoli, as long as you know how to cut it right. The way I would start is to take some of the tough outside off from the stalk using the peeler. Turn as you go, and then you need to do nothing more than remove the bottom ½ centimetre of the stalk where it's dried out, and then the rest is completely usable. Cut the piece and open it up, and then where you would normally cut away just the floret, use the tip of your knife to follow the curve of the stalk down and to the end, and you end up with these long floret pieces. And if you think that the floret at the end is too large for the stalk, you can split those in half as well. One of the reasons for tapering the stalk as you go and making it nice and thin is that you want the stalk and the floret to cook at the same time, and it evens out the cooking. So now you're left with a small handful of trimmings, perfect for the compost bin, and arguably almost twice as much broccoli as you would have had before. Thanks for watching. If there's any more skills or tips that you want to see to get the most out of your veg, let us know in the comments below.